right.
21, baby. Well,
Dogs.
This week was full of friends and family I haven't seen in a while. It was really fun. I hope you guys enjoy and stick around till the end. Lots of food, funny moments, and shopping. Make sure to subscribe for more, and hope you enjoy.
Oh, who's that? Who's that down there? She doesn't realize I'm up here.
it me.
And straight to the hamster.
Oh.
What is this? I don't know. I left the center inside.
Such weird little nuts.
Satisfying.
First time it just sucks me.
All right, here's dinner.
Wait, we have fish balls. That's it, just dinner.
That's dinner.
We decided to become vegetarian. Oh, besides that. That's not imitation meat. Yeah, it's impossible meat. And the fish ball's not actually fish ball. It's fish flavored ball. Fish flavored ball, but it's not actually fish ball. Yes. Hi, I'm back. Oh, do you like? Wait. Do you like my tie dye? Cause isn't it to die for? Oh God, it's good to be back. Hey.
Am I just tossing it in?
Ooh,
Yep.
Fish cake. Oh no. Fish
Yeah, it's like assorted fish cakes.
I love when you walk.
Mm-hmm. Look who I'm with. Haha. Okay.
Me. I'm on the phone with student financial aid. It's college, college life. Can't get enough of it.
Can't relate because I graduated.
Hey, I'm graduating not this semester, next semester.
We're going off now to get wine.
Ooh, dessert. Oh, I'm 21. 21, baby. Well, I've been 21 since February.
Wow.
Look at my outfit. Okay, so these jeans are his jeans, and look, it's embarrassing. That's why this shirt has to be long, because it'll emphasize my crotch area.
That's totally not too much information at all.
I'm just saying, like, the way because like these are not high-waisted, so what you call it? It's not high-waisted, so it's basically like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just not high-waisted. So all the girls know. Oh wait, are we gonna make it?
Just cross.
Just make it.
It's fine.
Just make it.
Don't worry about it. Just walk with confidence. It's how we do it here in New York, right?
Oh yeah, New York.
So yeah, we're just gonna go get some wine, some lunch.
I don't like wine. But
Yeah.
I will try it.
I think so. I also don't really like wine.
No wine.
I think the thing that we're gonna be trying to look for is like a dessert wine. I heard that there are.
Ew, 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 ew. I have COVID. No, I don't.
I heard that there are white wines that are really good as a dessert wine, and so we're gonna try. All right.
Where are we parking?
We will see you in a bit.
Bye.
Now we're on our way.
All right, so we got the wine. We're heading. Yeah, I led us in the wrong direction.
Thanks, Johan. Now, and I'm still on the call, by the way.
Yeah, it's been what, like 20 minutes?
Yeah,
We walked 20 minutes in the opposite direction. It's fine.
it's fine.
It's fine.
And I keep on repeating the same stuff. Thank you for calling. Your call is important to us.
It's not like we have anything else to do today. It's fine.
Yeah, I do. I need to beat up someone
No violence. It's against terms of service.
with words.
There we go.
With
That's how you do it.
I have a peace of mind. Wait, no, I don't. Wait, what is it? I can't even think. I'm so frustrated. Look
Well.
closely. Wait, look closely. Okay, never mind.
Okay,
I
well.
thought that did something. I didn't. My bad.
Alright. Now, hopefully, next time we see you, we were actually at.
The right place.
Yeah. And she had already been on the phone.
Doubt it. I feel like they're gonna like cancel on me.
That would suck.
It's not the first time they did that.
Well, wish both of us luck then.
Okay, now we're heading the right direction.
Okay, so success. It has been, it has been acquired. I don't know if you can see it. You'll see it later. I got 1 dessert wine and 1 Riesler, I think is what it is called. We'll see how they taste. All right?
Right.
And she's shopping.
It says this outfit's not working, my guys. It's too hot. Look at my outfit. Okay, so these jeans.
Yeah, look at our faces. They're all shiny because it's so humid.
It's not highlight.
It's not a fun time outside. Should have worn shorts.
And
I didn't.
I almost wore sweats out.
What a shame. All right. Well, probably gonna, after this, we'll probably get some lunch, head back, put these in the fridge so that they can chill, and then we will chill.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cool.
But
All right.
I really want to buy her.
We stopped by the grocery store to pick up ingredients for tonight.
You want the cat food, huh? Hmm?
Oh, I thought it was me it's enjoying. That's rude.
You fry the corn dog with mozzarella,
And the doggo.
and then you coat it in sugar,
Korean street food. It sounds like it.
and it ends up like this. If you want to put ketchup and mayo. Not mayo,
There's also
mustard.
like the one in LA.
So we have Korean corn dogs paired with a nice Riesling wine. Wonderful. There was a little bit of a cheese pull, so it's kind of like a cheese stick. Oh, like that, see?
Yeah.
It's still going. It's still going. It's never ending. Oh, she got it.
Is there a hot dog in this one?
Yeah. They're half hot dog, half cheese.
So it's weird because it's like cheese stick meets funnel cake meets hot dog.
Yeah.
Interesting. I enjoy the taste. You guys should try it.
It's pretty good.
If you add in like, I wish there's a way to like have more of the hot dog in there. Like both you eat the hot dog and the cheese at the same time.
I think if you cut the hot dog in half and layer it so it's a longer hot dog.
'Cause that's the way it was in the recipe. You
Yeah.
have it and then you have the cheese and it's literally all like that. So I don't know.
That's good though.
At the side of it, or
Yes.
should I just?
No, cut it. How are you gonna pop it off?
Well, this is glass. This is still glass. This is just the cork.
But the cork is stuck to the plastic.
Do I need to cut the plastic? Are you recording this?
Seriously, it took us so long to get that cork. and then even longer to figure out how to pop the cork.
Give me that good. No, it's not gonna do it.
Woo! Yeah, after a YouTube video search and several minutes, we finally figured out how to do it. I said I was gonna record more of the process, but you know, oops. That's fine. Searing some pork loin to make some.
He only wants you to think he's searing it. The stove is actually off. The sound is this.
Rude. Okay, here's the next step. Well, I guess a few steps into it. This is the sauce that's gonna go into it, or like we're gonna put the pork chop into, and then use over the rice. Hopefully it turns out okay. I don't know, we'll see. Just waiting for it to thicken a little.
I said okay because I thought you were talking.
Hopefully it's okay. So I am on my way to meet a friend for dinner. This will be the first outing since this whole quarantine and pandemic started. And I am a little nervous, obviously, because this is the first time doing it, but we all made sure that we were healthy, that we've been tested and isolated, all that stuff. So we'll definitely be keeping our distance from other people. Make sure to follow all the guidelines and whatnot. But other than that, I hope that this will be a real fun night. It's been way too long since the last time, so whew, excited.
Finally heading into the city. It was nice because the subway was fairly empty. Same with the streets. For the most part, people were staying 6 feet apart.
I have no idea. Okay, so I am at K-Town. So we got here. Now that isn't the friend that I mentioned earlier that I would be seeing, but we're both going to be meeting them in a little bit. He should be here in about half an hour, depending on...
Look how has lava beached now.
Ooh. Yeah, depending on whenever he ends up getting here. So, yeah, I'm excited. This place is a little hectic.
While we were waiting for our friend, we decided to shop a little.
This is so good. I love it. I'm so happy.
We finally met up, had KBBQ, and then got bubble tea.
Hey guys, all right, it is another day, and I think that this has been one of the busiest weeks that I've had in the last, I don't know, many months. And by busiest, I don't mean like tiring busy, just a lot of fun doing different things with other people other than like my housemates. So that was really, really fun, and I'm happy that I was able to do that. So yeah, feeling good about today.
Now we're making a quick lunch with tuna, I think it was a tuna melt. It was super yummy. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like, comment, and hit subscribe for more content. Alright, this week's phrase is friends and family. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll catch you all next week. Have a good one.